Hi there, students. Plush. Plush is an uncountable noun. Okay, the first main meaning of plush is a type of textile. It's the one that they use to make teddy bears and soft toys. It's like velvet, but it has a slightly longer nap or pile, or the hairs that stick out are slightly longer, I think 3 millimeters. So the shop window was full of plush toys. A teddy made of a plush fabric. But we also use this word figuratively and much more often like that. We use plush to mean luxurious, showily expensive, abundantly rich. And then, funnily, both luxurious and luxuriant. Okay, luxurious means really comfortable, in luxury. And luxuriant means grows very strongly and is very thick and deep. So you could say, I have a luxuriant beard. Well, maybe I used to. So we stayed in a plush hotel that had plush lawns. So an expensive and comfortable hotel that had lawns that were growing luxuriantly. They were thick and lavish, if you like. The lawyer's office was plushly decorated. It was the plushest wedding reception I have ever seen. The plush surroundings of the restaurant made me feel at ease. So, plush, a textile, plush soft toys, all extravagant, expensive, luxurious, comfortable, lavish, characterized by extravagance and abundance and luxuriance. So, we mere mortals cannot afford such a plush lifestyle. The hotel suite was so plush, I was worried I was going to make it dirty. I sat back in the plush seats of the Rolls-Royce while the driver whisked us away. It must be very comfortable to live in plush surroundings. So, plush, long-haired textile, a plush chair, plush soft toy. And then extravagant, expensive, showy, a plush house, a plush lifestyle. So, next question, formality. I think I'd probably give it a 5 in formality. This is something that's flexible and you could use just about anywhere. In an informal conversation, in a formal document. And then as to origin, well, there's a French word, plush, which means plush, and that itself comes from the Latin word pilus, hair. Okay, so plush, a textile or extravagant and comfortable. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Plush.